Yeah. Can you grab that?
He says I found something else to look at.
I don't even understand how to open
I
it.
think he's
So.
looking at shadows.
Okay, true. My mommy doesn't know how to open it either.
I mean, let me try.
That's what it's.
Uncle Ray.
What am I doing?
I think you
wrong?
pull the ribbon.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Like pretty much anything else with the
Oh,
ribbon.
good job, True. What are you doing?
There you go, yay! I got a picture of him holding on to the ribbon.
You gotta smile.
Okay, this
It's like,
is
oh, what is
Uncle
that?
Sean.
Oh, good, give me some.
Okay. Mommy will hurry up because you're getting fussy. Well, you could just go right in there, couldn't you? Oh.
Maybe if mom's not careful.
I'll go in there if you want me to.
Okay.
Hey, Caleb, grab the bottom of that bag. Help you right there.
Oh! All
What?
right.
Caleb,
Lego!
Caleb, cameras.
Yay! Say thank. Look at the camera and say thank you, Uncle Sean.
Stay out of the way.
Thank you. You like them though. You're reaching. Oh, and you're very agitated. Yay! Oh,
He's gonna eat it. Don't eat the Legos.
they don't go in your mouth. Say thank you.
Thank you, Uncle John.
Thank you. Wave to Uncle Sean.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Go.
Say thank you, Uncle Sean.
Thank you.